Good day to everyone in the house. You all are welcome to Ade Gallant story time. My story goes like this. You can't get one man. This man, he know they use I see woman. Anytime he see woman, the man could be like say he want just mates. You understand? Then, upon no, say this man marry many wives so. He not say they satisfied. As this man spoil rich, this man marry 7 good wives. 7 wives. Now this man marry. I got they begin they ask myself, say, this man did they sleep with these women? 7, only one man to 7 women. I say, well, we get where they do them. To crown it all, my people, this man still they want sleep with his son girlfriends them. You understand? And this man, he married 7 wives, and that 7 wives, all of them born for him. Some born 10, some born 12, some born 5, depends. You understand? So, as the children come many rich, this man not going to recognize them again. You understand? So, if his son girlfriend can't look for their boyfriend for house, as in the man's son, their girlfriend, the man go just call them because say, come. Who you dey look for? You go say, see who they look for. You know they. And maybe that his son dey also. You go tell the son girlfriend, say, his son not their house. He send a message. The girl go come say, but the boyfriend, her boyfriend call her just now, say, in their house. He go say, nah, you just send a message now. Make just say that wait and me go soon come. The girl go say, okay. The girl come sit down. Later, go dey look the girl. Later, go dey look the girl. Later, go dey look the girl. The girl will come confess, say, which kind papa be this? Which kind boyfriend father be this? You don't understand. See the way the man just they look her. The girl will come relax. Later, you go just call the girl, go say, make she come. The girl go meet her for where the man sit down. When he go reach, when she go reach where the man dey, the man go say, make it come. The girl go say, okay. When the girl go meet the man, like they go put man for the girl here. He go say, come and sit down, The girl go say, Baba, you don't understand. What you say make him do? Come sit down. Where he say make sit down so? He go say, me go sit down on top of here. On top of in lap. The girl go say, Baba, you don't understand. Why you go sit down for your lap? But you know, say na your son at the look for. He go say, he no, but come sit down here. At the end of the day, the girl go say no, the girl go refuse. The girl go come vex, comot. Later, maybe the boyfriend come wait for her, wait. The girl no gree come inside house. Waiting this girl come see they do way she never see come this time. At least almost 2 hours wey don't call her since. So you go come call the girl. Go say, you don't come again, just the wait you say you they come. No. You not gree come. You go say, I come your house now. I see your daddy. Your daddy say you're not there. I say you come out. He send you message. My papa, no, why you talk like that? The girl will go meet the father, say, Baba, you send me message. But you go tell my girlfriend say you send me message. Hey, my pikin, I don't know. I just say you not there, so now maybe you put her like that. You go say, Baba, now wow, that chapter will stay close. Then another day, another of his son girlfriend go still come the same thing. Another of his girlfriend son still come the same thing. So the things he continue to the repeater, and the man's sons they many. You understand? So this one girlfriend he go complain, give her boyfriend. Why this one go still complain, give her boyfriend? So most of the man's sons girlfriends come they complain about the man. So they don't go fit get what they want to. All of them come short of words. You understand? Because one particular one be they complain every time. So the boyfriend come say maybe he just want to lie for his father head, or maybe the girl don't need the relationship again. So when other son of the man girlfriend come say they complain, now they go say maybe this thing are true. All of them just they complain one particular person. Okay, you get what you will do one day. I beg. The senior son come tell in the rest of your brother, say, see what you won't do, Papa. This thing we will do, Papa. So that next time, Baba no go, you no go repeat itself again. Now they come say, okay. The first son come call the younger brothers. Then he come say he want use the girlfriend to set their father up. Now they come say just cool because all the girlfriends don't they complain about Papa. What it could happen? You want me the story where they tell us, so my sisters, my sisters and brothers. 7 wives. That is my marriage. 7. We not see they satisfied with the 7 wives. So as I was saying, the first son can use his own girlfriend to set the father up. All of them can agree. So he can't get one the way the first son girlfriend they come. All of them can go hide from one side, one corner like that. And the girl go enter already na set up. The girl just see as of her own boyfriend, the Baba. Now the boy say, you know deal, you know deal. Where you go now? You can say you send a message also. You send a message and I say, yeah, okay, sit down. And the girl sit down. Later, I see Baba look everywhere, the Papa look everywhere, the Papa look everywhere. Nobody they come. Now he say, I call the girl like this. And so they do, they go say. Now the girl say, already na set up. They come and they watch what they happen. Their father don't know. As he just call the girl like this, the girl want just waka the girl, want just use hand hold the girl, make it put her for a lap, make the girl for sit down. Now the children all of them just show, say, Baba, wait. He say no. He say if you want, you send a message. I say okay, don't wahala. Now they can't rest. No, he say this man just a sick of woman matter because this one a sickness. 7 good wives, you know, see they satisfied. I mean, you need to go for deliverance. So, to cut the whole story short, now they go say, okay, as everything be so, we do like say we don't forget. After 1 week, this man's sons, one of his sons come out, come go where all those hustly babe, all those girls where they hustle, they can't go one joint like that. As they go the joint where girls they hustle, then they come pay for one inside. They come tell the girls, say, see, racket what you want to do for us. Now you understand? Just do it perfectly. Even though you don't do anything, but tell us how much you won't take. They will give you the money, provided may you do what we say may you do. And the girl come say, no problem. Now marketing day, in the sell yourself. No problem. Now money even now she even wants. And they come settle everything. No, the girl can't give them B. And they can say, no, wow, like now the money. He started, they count the money, give the girl. Now the girl follow them. As they reach their junction, before they enter the house, then they go tell the girl, say, see, package you want to do for us. So do as you say, now so person like this, then you can look for. Now the man's son, but you just mention this name. Say, now this name, now you they look, now you they ask of. And the girl can say, okay. If the man agree, no problem. If you not agree, no problem. But if you say he like you, you want to sleep with you, sleep with her because we do all this to you. And just sleep with her, just make her tyrant. You understand? If not to collect extra money, after you don't do everything, come back, we'll give you the extra money. Then the girl can say, okay. Will you? Their father don't know say na set up. And so the girl just dress fine. And so the girl just go, just the waka, they go. As he just reach the Baba domot for the parlor, now the girl stretch her neck, go look Baba. Now Baba say, as he say, now the girl can go meet her. And the girl meet her, he say, how are you? Now the girl say, fine. Oh. He say, where are you from? Now the girl say, see where you for come. See where she for come. Oh. Okay, what will be your name? Now she mention her name. Now their father say, man, you be fine girl. You be fine, beautiful girl. Ew. Who you dey look for? He say, see who she dey look for. She come measure one of the man's son name. Say, na she dey look for. And the man go say, okay, they know their house. None of them their house. And the man go say, where in guy come go now? And he call her, you know they. Because okay, sit down. Now the girl sit down. Later, never even reach 5 minutes. And the man say, that the girl go say, Epa, no. And the girl go meet him. And the girl meet the man. And the man say, he go put mouth for their ear. Sit down for my lap. And the girl but do like say you know what you talk. Hey pa, what do you talk? I said, but you sit down for my lap. Like the girl go sit down. Already, now set up. They set their father up. Now the girl go sit down for their father lap. Oh. So the girl come they squeeze the thing. You come they squeeze her waist like this for the pa lap. And then the pa go say, on Emma, this one, you go keep person. No. Now the girl say, no, pa, no, I just make you they feel good. So that make you enjoy yourself, you know. I just want to play with you. And the man say, you mean you sure say in so way you can't look for no go quarrel. You say, no, you no quarrel. Now you want to tell her, hey, pa, no, Baba, no tell her. If you tell her, now you know. Now Baba say, don't tell her more. You no go talk. If you talk, na problem between me and you, me no go talk. Now the girl say, you no go see talk to. Now pa you carry the baby enter house. Now the girl give her nonsense. He give her rubbish. He give her back. I see a pa come the stress for bed for inside room. The pa come the stress. He come the shout. Now they say, what's it happen? He say, this guess what they see these days? They're not good though. They're not good though. This one when you kill and I say, pa no, you know I'll kill you because now what you like? Now what you like? Waiting. Now Papa say, no, people are not vessel. This girl a bad girl. He want just kill her. Or he waste, he want break her for her. Now they say, no, you not go break her because now what you like, now make the reason tire you. Now Papa say, so now bad children now in get. So now just do this thing, follow her. In fact, I don't blame her. So their father come they quarrel with them. So they can use laugh and joke to close that chapter. So he can still get another day after the everything, the setup and everything. So after some days, like after 2 days, now they can still call another girl. Say make she use the pass. As she say you want enter house too. So all of the just say that I don't want to use the pass. Just like this. Now they say pa. Now they say father, Baba. See. No, they not there. Now so the man take run enter house. Say, guess of these days, they will keep person. Now they say after 7 children, I don't know go keep person. So I beg, if you be the type we love woman, we like woman like say na food or without woman you no fit stay. You not good. See they won't go break Baba waist. Thank God say you not gonna break. That is the end of my story. Love you all, my fans. Have a wonderful weekend. Love you. Kiss.